Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrency, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. Guys, if you've watched my past videos, you've known that during this whole death cross situation, during this whole whale manipulation, and during the whole time that we had a reversal pattern, I've been keeping you guys up to date with some valuable technical patterns and most likely have been accurate on a lot of them. And I want to share something extremely important in this video that's going to happen with the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies overall. So I hope that you guys are excited for this video. And if you do appreciate that I take my time to make this video and bring it up to you, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a video, because YouTube tries to censor crypto content. And yeah, now let's get to it. Guys, right now we can see that the market is green. Bitcoin's back at 46,580. Ethereum's back over 3,150, and things are looking good. There is a lot of fear that basically we're going to dump from here. A lot of YouTubers are also saying we're going to dump from here. That's not my view at all. I think that the fundamentals are extremely strong, and I think that a big pump is coming. And if you watch my last video right here, I literally told you guys that this weekend, last weekend that just passed, was going to be a bullish weekend, and that's what it was. We were seeing double-digit gains in all of these altcoins. I posted this video, which only got 230. This one, 3 coins you must have in a portfolio, only has 238 views. That means thousands of people just missed out on this valuable information that I shared, because as you know, Cardano is just pumping today and is about to make a new all-time high. VeChain as well has been pumping, and so is Aave. And guys, I have such data that I need to share with you guys today, because I do think something massive is coming. And I really hope a lot of you watch this video to the end, because the people who don't, they're going to miss out on probably the biggest opportunity of their lifetime. And it's all about getting in on time. And it's all about having good timing when you're getting into this project. Like, look at Luna. Look at Luna. Me and my Patreon, we got back into Luna at $6.30 right here. When I posted on the Patreon group chat, I was like, guys, everyone needs to accumulate Luna right now. We've been literally having parties, okay? Because Luna's just been on the tear for up 400% since I gave this signal to my Patreon group. I came on this channel and also shared Luna with you guys when Luna was about like $7, $8, and you would have still been up in your money. And I literally share you guys why I thought this was going to happen and the technical patterns. And look, now Luna is literally killing the game, all right? But at the same time, I would not buy this right now if you have not bought way back here, because this definitely needs a correction. I wouldn't mind seeing Luna coming back down to $22, even though I don't want it, but that's what a healthy pullback would be. And I would be not buying more because I've already loaded up so much down here, so I'm all in profit right now. I took my initial investment out and I'm just letting the profit run. And I'm adding that initial investment in some other coins that I do want to share with you guys today. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, which looks to be about to do some crazy things. And I also want to share 2 more coins that I think are going to explode in the next coming days and weeks. So if you're excited for that, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and show some love to this, okay? All right, guys, let's get started with Bitcoin, okay? Because Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is the leader of crypto. It's not going anywhere. This is the best store of value, even better than gold, with limited quantity, limited supply. And as you can see from this chart of Bitcoin, I've been literally sharing with you guys everything that Bitcoin has been doing in terms of when we were shopping in this area where we were having basically all these fake outs and bull traps. And while every other YouTuber were telling you, oh, Bitcoin's just going to have a V-shaped recovery here, were lies, and you would have been losing all your money in this process. Good thing that me and my Patreons, we were smart and we set stop losses, and we didn't really get hurt at all in this area here. Well, a lot of people were bleeding, okay? On top of that, we're able to call the bottom on Bitcoin because there are some very technical things that showed up on the chart that I've also shared with you guys. One, we broke over the 200 EMA. That was one. And if I pull up the 250 EMA as well, you would see we broke over both of them. And right here, when everyone thought we were going to tank, I saw this double bottom, and I told you guys this is going to give us enough strength to push us all the way to 50K. And we're on this trajectory right now. And my last video, I pulled this up and told you guys literally that we were going to have a double bottom, okay, and pump up. And that's exactly what happened. We came back down to this area. Please watch my last video if you think I'm making this up, because I'm not making this up. This ugly drawing I did was literally just to give you guys an idea of what could potentially happen. And it's been following it to the leather. Right now, we had this double bottom scenario for Bitcoin, which is also going to push us higher. So right now, what I'm expecting is we're back in this box, guys, which makes me really bullish. And I have very high hope for this now. We're back in this box. And what I've been saying is we need to go sideways in this box before we pump back up. So this is what I'm waiting to play out. We can see that I've showed you guys before that we've never had a long signal. Last time we had a long signal on the EMA ribbon for Bitcoin is when Bitcoin was breaking around $10,000. So guys, I do see some big move coming for Bitcoin. All these people claiming that this is a bear trap right now, they obviously don't understand what entails with a bull trap, because there are a couple things that you need to understand. One of these things is, right, we're way over the 200 EMA, okay? And right now I just pulled up the 200 MA, which we were coming under, but now we just claimed it again. We're back over that, so that's really good to see. And as long as we remain over the 200 MA, we are in bullish territory. So I'm not expecting a bull trap. Will we pump to 50,000 and get a maybe potential dump to 41,000? Absolutely. That's really possible. If we come back to 41,000, I will be still very bullish, because this is an area that right here was serving as major resistance, and in here as well, major resistance back here, major resistance here, major resistance here, major resistance here. We do need to come back and retest this area as support, okay, which we haven't done yet. So this is the only thing that worries me, is because we do need to come back and test this as a support. If we pump to 50,000 and come back down to 41,000, I would see this and get support in this area. I would see this as a major bullish setup, okay? That's just my view. Ethereum. So while Bitcoin is going to take the slow route, Ethereum is in the process of literally setting itself up for massive, massive explosion. And that is going to literally bring up the entire altcoin market with it. And what I see here is that literally we came and retested this red box, right? And we came back here again, potentially forming this other double bottom, first bottom here, second. And you can see how we're breaking above this EMA ribbon again. Like I've been saying in the past videos, guys, there is barely any resistance for Ethereum from here to $4,000. So this is going to be a great run, potentially. I would not be surprised if Ethereum reaches $4,000 this weekend. Okay, neither would I be surprised if Bitcoin reaches $50,000 by Sunday. So this is how I see right now. Ethereum just looks amazing, levels that I'm really looking for Ethereum, it's really hard to call, because once we break this 4,100, Ethereum is going to be in price discovery. And guys, we don't know where that's going to stop, because Ethereum now is a deflationary asset due to the EIP 1559 upgrade. And they have the Optimism upgrade also happening very soon. It's going to reduce the fees on Ethereum a lot. So I gave you guys Luna. We made massive gains. Like literally, I share it on this channel for free. And all you guys have to do is like my video, drop a comment below, let me know whatever you think, and share with your friends. And literally, you would have made like over 300% gains on that. I gave you guys DOT. I told you guys at $10, DOT is super undervalued. And look at my boxes. It hit that area very nicely. This was the area that me and my patron were accumulating the most of DOT, 1160. DOT is already on the move. I see a big pump for Polkadot coming. You guys do whatever you want. This is not financial advice. I was someone that was giving Polkadot here at $3, $4. Okay, we made massive gain. Polkadot went all the way up to $50, came back down to like $11, $10.90, very undervalued, and now DOT is on the rise. There's a lot going on with the Polkadot ecosystem and the parachains that are going to be launched at Kusama. Kusama is also gearing up for some big pump action. But I want to focus on Polkadot because I like Polkadot. And right now what I see is we're way over the 200 EMA, right? If I bring I've taught you guys how to watch for golden crosses, which only happens very rarely, and they happen in the beginning of a trend reversal. And on the 4 hour, you can see we had a golden cross for Polkadot at $14. That's when I brought Polkadot to you guys on this channel and told you guys DOT just had a golden cross, get in on it. DOT since then has already gained so much momentum. Since I shared that with you guys at 1480 whatever, DOT is already up over 80%. Okay, right now I'm telling you guys there's potential. Once DOT breaks this level of resistance here, I'm going to just do a trend line here. This is the last level that DOT needs to break, this area. Once we fully break over this 2650, DOT doesn't really have much resistance until $40. Okay, so it's gonna move very fast. Okay, and then we're gonna see a slight correction and push up. I have a long-term outlook for DOT. I believe DOT will reach $100 before the end of this year. That is my view. Another coin that I know we haven't talked about, but I have to give this to you guys because I think it's going to do exactly the same thing that we saw with Luna. And guys, you really need to give me a like and subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends, because no one's giving you guys these legitimate setups that's going to make you massive gains. Okay, the setup that I already shared with my Patreons is that we're going to make an easy 200% gain on GRT, the graph. Okay, the graph is an essential part of DeFi and a lot to do with blockchain. What you need to see here that no other YouTubers is sharing with you is that we have a beautiful round bottom. Look at this round bottom setup on GRT. Okay, we have a beautiful round bottom setup on GRT. We have this resistance now that we're about to break soon. Okay, we have this golden cross that we had right here with the 50 MA crossing over the 200 MA. And if you look closely, you can see right here on the MACD is turning green, and there's going to be some massive upside potential for GRT. It's going to be some resistance here at $1.40. We're going to range between $1.30 and $1.50 for a while. But once this move starts going, I do see GRT is going to faces up and is going to come back to its all-time high level very quickly. Like I said, it's not financial advice. Please go do your research on GRT. I have videos on GRT. You can take a look at these as well. And just understand, always have a plan B. Set up a stop loss. I would set up a stop loss at 80 cents, okay, maybe 79 cents, just in case this does go the other way and we get a bigger pullback than expected from Bitcoin. But I do see this as being one of the setups that for the loyal people that watch my video every day, every time I post them, and are the first to see them, they have the bell notification on. I want you guys to literally make massive gains from this coming pump coming from GRT. And this is why I'm sharing this with you today. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what I had to share, and I hope you appreciate it as well. If you did, you know what to do. That's the only thing you can do for me giving you such valuable content for free. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe, and most importantly,